Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and look at this lovely package I have. This came from New Jersey. This is from a company called Toad Hollow. They have a podcast, and it is called Toad Hollow, I think, or maybe it's the Crafty Toads. They go by both, and they have an Etsy shop, and they have a .com shop, and I was a winner in one of their recent videos. It was so fun to hear my name on TV, on YouTube. And I did a video of it, so I will try to put that on the end so that you guys can see where they said my name. So I'm going to try to do that first because I think it's this one. Yes, it is. So I won some yarn. And this, well, I actually won a knit crate, which is really cool. You guys know that I get knit crate every month, and I won one of, they get knit crate, but then they give it away. And this was the December 2019 knit crate, and it had two beautiful skeins of this Vitalana by Knit Crate wool, and it is, let's see, in the colorway Mistletoe. It's 48% merino, 20% baby alpaca, and 32% organic cotton. It's a DK weight, and it has 274 yards. It is very nice, very squishy. It looks wonderful. I love the color. That is a beautiful green color that will just make up some nice fabric. And then the inspirations book that Knit Crate sends has pattern ideas for things that you can do with what you got. So there's a scarf for crochet and some leg warmers for knit. Are there two? I think there's two every month. There are two ideas. Now I am not going to make the leg warmers just because that's not my thing, but I'm sure I will find something wonderful to make with this, and that you get two skeins is really cool. And winner, winner, chicken dinner. How about that? Yay me! So there's that. And then I ordered, she does they do some beautiful yarn. And this is Mrs. Wright's Tea Party Mini Skein Collection, Toad Tales Toad Hollow Yarns is what it's called. So Toad Hollow, go to toadhollowNJ.com. That will get you to where you need to be. And this says colors included: the invitation, welcome all, hearts for tea, hyacinths and pansies, and the cronies. And it's oh, how cute. I need to see what that is. It's just little minis. I don't even remember how much is in each one. I think that they are 20-gram minis, and they are just so cute and so pretty. And I am going to, I think anyway, make a cowl using all of these together. Oh my goodness, and it's like a little book. Mrs. White's Tea Party, a Toad's Tale from the Hollow. Oh my goodness, and there's like a little tail with little pictures, and they do this online. I've actually seen this online. I just didn't realize that I would get it in a little book. Well, this makes me want to buy every one of them because I love the little book. I might even have to put staples in it over here. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. And I will have to read the story. Maybe what I will do is after I have made something with it, I can read the story and show you what I made. Would you like that? Let me know below. I think that sounds kind of fun. So then there's another collection that they're doing, and this is called Bremen, from our Toad Hollow Fairy Tale Collection, Bremen Town Musicians Toad Hollow Yarns, and this is Toad DK yarn base. And I also got the hobo bag in the color aqua. It's a bandana drawstring project bag that is also from the same little tail. Oh my gosh, look at that bag. Oh my gosh, I love this bag. Has red polka dots on the inside. Oh, I'm a sucker for project bags anyway, and I love their bags. I've gotten several of them now, but oh my gosh, this is perfect. And I love the little Toad Hollow patch that's kind of just crooked on there. It's perfect. This whole thing is perfect, perfect, perfect. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh my gosh, it's Mary Beth and Helen, and I just love it. And I need to tell you a story about this in just a second, but here is the beautiful yarn. And this is, like I said, a DK. It's 100 grams, 231 yards, 100% superwash merino. This is from the Fairy Tale collection in March, which the color is Bremen. And Helen had made a cowl with just this one skein, and it was really cute. And I would not have picked out this skein had she not shown her cowl. I would have totally picked out something different because these colors kind of look like 4th of July to me a little bit. And it's just, I mean, it's beautiful. It's just not my thing. But when I saw it knitted up, I was like, oh, that's the one. I have to get that one. So sometimes that just does it for you. This is really cute. Now, the bag is hilarious to me because my friend Tracy lives in Chicago, and we will often say, like, if our pets are bugging us, I'm like, I'm going to give you a little bag and send you on your way up north to Chicago. And so now they actually have a little hobo bag. I just need to get a stick. Send those little pups of mine up to visit Auntie Tracy while they're bugging me. I mean, I'm teasing. We would never do it, but it's hilarious to think about. And then the fact that they came out with the hobo bag just made me laugh. I love it. It's a beautiful bag. So that is what I got from Toad Hollow MJ. So check them out and check out their podcast because maybe you could win too. How cool is that? Yay! Well, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.
Slightly milder winter, but this one has been really very, very mild. Okay, so here we go. This was A. It was the blue, and that goes
asked
DK.
Congratulations.
If Congratulations. Please get
March would come in like a lion or like a lamb.
Your address, and we will send that.
This is the
to you.
Crafty Toads.
She said in like a lamb. Okay. All right, then. B was the one that was speckled blue and purple. Love this one. So pretty. That is Liz K1216. She
Wait
said in like
for
a lion.
Wait for it.
All right. Then C is the green that looks chain plied. And that is TT.Scraps. She said in like a lion.
Woohoo!
All right.
I'm a winner, I'm a winner!
Was